The top 3 best TV antennas in 2023. As more people cut the cord with cable and satellite providers, they're turning to TV antennas to watch local news, sports, and entertainment channels for free. You can easily pick up either an indoor or outdoor model in various designs to blend into your decor or mount on your roof for clear reception. Many modern TV antennas feature built-in filters to prevent interference from cell phone and radio towers, which can cause annoying issues like screen tearing, pixelation, and static. They also support up to 4K resolution if UHD channels are available in your area. Many antennas are also very budget-friendly. Spend a fortune in order to stay up-to-date with your favorite sitcoms, local news headlines, and sports scores. In order to help you find the right TV antenna for you, I've compared the 5 best models you can buy right now. I've broken down their features and price points to help you find one that fits both your budget and your needs. Welcome to HS Mart YouTube channel. Number 3. Vrayji newest amplified TV antenna. Vrayji TV antenna can help you receive hundreds of HD TV programs for free, such as ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, PBS, Fox, and more channels. It's time to cut the cable. Vrayji indoor TV antenna comes with amplified signal booster, optimized better signal transmission protection. The newest smart IC chip crystal clear filter technology filters out cellular and FM signals, which brings more clearer images, lower noise, and access to broadcast signals easily. High quality thick coaxial cable. Digital HD antenna comes with high performance coaxial cable. It's made of high quality copper wire, which is very thick. This durable construction eliminates signal interference, bring excellent signal reception. It can be used for all digital-ready devices, support 108up 4K all old smart televisions. Our digital TV antenna can receive up to 500 miles signals, comes with amplifier booster for many channels. When it occurs, no channels change the place to a higher place and research channels after moving the antenna. Number 2. HID TV antenna for smart TV support 4K HD. HIDB TV antenna lets your TV bills enjoy free top-rated HD TV programming forever, like your local news, weather, sitcoms, kids, sports programs absolutely free, including ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, Fox, Univision, and more. To make the digital TV antenna better reception, the local channel TV antenna needs to choose different placement methods according to the signals emitted by your local signal tower. One is to place the antenna vertically on the base, and the other is to place it horizontally. Please try the 2 ways to make your antenna receive more digital HD channels. This amplified TV antenna up to 150 miles range, with amplified signal booster, built-in upgraded smart IC chip to prevent interference from other signals, make the picture clearer, and clears up pixelated. Please place the antenna as high or near the window as possible indoor to receive more channels, including windows, walls, tables, and other best places. The indoor TV antenna is made of high-quality waterproof and sunscreen material. A durable build is intended for indoor or outdoor installation. Number 1. 520 plus miles range TV antenna. Our indoor TV antenna can receive up to 500 miles signals, and advanced signal booster optimize the signal transmission protection against interference with other signals, which can make sure you can get more channels even you are far away. Broadcast towers support format 720p, 1080p, 1080p/ATSC. Our upgraded TV antenna indoor-outdoor can instantly make you get rid of costly TV bills and enjoy hundreds of HD TV programs, including ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, Fox, Univision, and more. Our TV antenna for smart TV adopted with new generation amplifier and built-in smart IC. Not only you can get instant and steady signals, but also can make your family more enjoy TV shows with high-quality pictures. Comes with 36 feet coaxial cable, which means you can set it behind your TV, on the wall, or a window, and we make sure you can finish the install within a few minutes and also get plenty channels in your living room, bedroom, basement, and RV, etc. For more details, follow the links given in the description. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and like in the videos.